Today, we are transforming your video into a cinema theater experience by placing it on a giant movie screen. This effect gives your footage that classic theater projection vibe with subtle noise and a dramatic widescreen look, perfect for cinematic reels, moody edits, storytelling, or movie style intros. Let's begin. First, import your video into CapCut and tap the clip to select it. Next, head to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Now, choose Video Effects. And remember, CapCut Mobile applies all video effects directly onto your clip. From the category list, open the Screen tab, scroll until you find the effect called Cinema View, then tap to apply it. Instantly, your clip gets wrapped inside a movie theater style frame, complete with soft projection noise lines and a widescreen presentation. It truly feels like your video is playing on a big theater screen. To customize the look, tap on the effect again. You'll see two important sliders. Speed controls the movement of the noise lines on the cinema screen. Slide right for faster, more intense projection noise, or slide left for a smoother, calmer movie theater vibe. Intensity. Adjust the brightness of your video as it appears on the screen. Increasing the slider makes the screen glow brighter, almost like a strong projector beam. Lowering it gives a softer, darker, atmospheric theater look. You can also stretch the effect on the timeline to choose how long the theater view stays visible. And that's it. You've successfully placed your video inside a cinema theater screen using CapCut Mobile. It's a fantastic way to add drama and cinematic flair to any edit. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.